Welcome to Best Buying Guide. The Best Children's Magazines is probably one of the most effective and engaging ways to foster a lifelong love of reading and learning in your child, offering a curated selection of age-appropriate content that sparks curiosity, expands vocabulary, and introduces them to a world of information and imagination through captivating stories, fun facts, and interactive activities designed to keep young minds stimulated and entertained. Number 5. Highlights Jumbo Book of Hidden Pictures. Get ready for an exciting adventure with this jumbo book. It's packed with over 200 hidden pictures and hilarious seek-and-find challenges. Designed for curious minds aged 6 and up, this book offers endless entertainment. It's a fantastic way to boost observation skills and problem-solving abilities. This isn't just a book, it's a gateway to imagination. Each page presents a new puzzle, encouraging focus and patience as you search for hidden objects. Challenge yourself with funny and engaging seek-and-find activities. Can you spot all the hidden surprises on every page? Dive into a world of visual discovery with this oversized activity book. It's the perfect companion for quiet afternoons or long car rides. Sharpen your child's attention to detail and critical thinking. This book provides a fun and rewarding way to develop essential cognitive skills. What we like. This book is packed with over 200 hidden pictures and engaging seek-and-find challenges. It's perfect for children aged 6 and up who enjoy visual puzzles. If you're looking for a fun and engaging activity that sharpens observation skills, this is a great choice. What people say. The magazine is packed with fun activities and educational content that keeps my child engaged for hours. My daughter loves the colorful illustrations and the variety of stories in each issue. The age-appropriate content makes it easy for my son to understand and enjoy the magazine. Number 4. Highlights Hardest Hidden Pictures Book Ever. Prepare for an extraordinary challenge. This book is designed to push your limits with incredibly difficult puzzles. Specifically crafted for bright minds aged 8 to 12, it offers advanced seek-and-find adventures. Embark on a quest to find more than 1,500 hidden objects scattered throughout its pages. Sharpen your observation skills and attention to detail. Can you spot every hidden item? This is not just any puzzle book, it's the hardest hidden pictures experience you'll ever encounter. Are you ready to put your searching abilities to the ultimate test? Dive in and see if you can conquer it. What we like. This is the hardest hidden pictures book ever, designed for kids aged 8 to 12. It features over 1,500 hidden objects across ultra-challenging brain games. If your child loves a serious challenge and advanced seek-and-find puzzles, this book will keep them occupied for hours. What people say. The magazine is filled with fun activities and educational content that keeps my child engaged. My child loves the colorful illustrations and the variety of stories and puzzles. It's a great way to encourage reading and learning in a fun and accessible format. Number 3. School Zone ABC Dots Workbook. Discover a world of learning with our ABC Dots Workbook. It's designed to make education engaging and enjoyable for young minds. Watch your child connect the dots to reveal letters and numbers. This interactive approach builds foundational skills in a playful way. Tailored for children aged 3 to 5, this workbook is ideal for both preschool and kindergarten readiness. It supports their developmental journey. With 32 pages packed with activities, your child will explore letter puzzles and counting exercises. There's plenty to keep them entertained and learning. This workbook is part of the trusted Get Ready book series. It provides a solid foundation for future academic success. Through connecting dots and solving puzzles, children develop fine motor skills and letter recognition. It's a comprehensive tool for early education. What we like. This workbook focuses on ABCs and learning through connect the dots activities for preschoolers and kindergartners. It includes 32 pages of engaging content for ages 3 to 5. If you have a young child just starting to learn their letters and numbers, this is an excellent tool for early education. What people say. The magazine is filled with fun and educational activities that keep my kids engaged for hours. My children love the colorful illustrations and the variety of stories and games included in each issue. The content is age-appropriate and helps foster a love for reading and learning in my children. Number 2. Food Network Magazine Kids Baking Book. Get ready for a baking adventure with over 110 delicious recipes designed just for young bakers. It's time to create some kitchen magic. This cookbook is packed with easy-to-follow instructions and exciting treats. Perfect for kids who love to bake and explore new flavors. Discover a world of sweet and savory delights, from cookies to cakes and more. Each recipe is a chance to learn and have fun. Equip your young chefs with the skills to create impressive baked goods. They'll be proud of what they make. This is the go-to guide for aspiring bakers, filled with inspiration and tasty results. Let the baking begin. What we like. This book offers over 110 delicious recipes specifically designed for young bakers. It's a fantastic resource for kids who love to get creative in the kitchen. If your child is interested in baking and you want to encourage their culinary adventures with easy-to-follow recipes, this is the perfect cookbook. What people say. The magazine is filled with fun and educational activities that keep my child engaged for hours. My child loves the colorful illustrations and the variety of stories and games included in each issue. The content is age-appropriate and helps to foster a love of reading and learning in young children. Number 1. National Geographic Kids 5,000 Awesome Facts. Get ready to explore a universe of knowledge. This book is packed with amazing facts about everything you can imagine. Discover incredible details about animals, science, history, and more. You'll be amazed by what you learn. Whether you're a kid or just young at heart, these facts are guaranteed to entertain and educate. It's perfect for curious minds. Each page is brought to life with vibrant images and engaging layouts. It makes learning an adventure. With 5,000 incredible facts, this is the only book you'll need to satisfy your thirst for knowledge. Dive in and be astonished. Brought to you by trusted experts, this collection offers reliable and fascinating information. Explore the world through its pages. What we like. This book is a treasure trove of 5,000 awesome facts covering a vast range of topics. It's designed to satisfy the curiosity of kids who love learning about everything. If you have a child who is a trivia enthusiast or simply loves discovering new and interesting information, this book is an endless source of fun and knowledge. What people say. The magazine is filled with fun and educational activities that my child loves. Each issue has a variety of engaging content, including stories, puzzles, and crafts, all tailored to my child's age group. The illustrations are bright and colorful, making it visually appealing for young readers. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.